Hi, this is Spencer Eells. I'm your Elmcrest Tennis Director. Today we're going to cover how to use our wonderful ball machine. So this machine can provide multiple shot setups, meaning the first ball can be a topspin drive, the second ball could be a drop shot, the third ball could be a lob, and we'll go through that. Come on in, Nate. So the beauty of this machine is we've got 7 different shot setups. Each setup, ball number 1, has a height dial, a speed dial, a spin dial, and a delay button. So I could set up a second ball, totally different from the first. Same for 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then I've got shot sequences, which simply chooses shot setup number 1. The second ball that's going to get fed is, again, shot setup number 1. The third ball is shot setup 2, and the fourth ball is shot setup 3. Over here then we've got the direction the ball is going to get fed. 2 goes to, that would be the forehand corner for your opponent. 5 for direction goes into the backhand corner. And there's 1 through 7 on the dials, and you've got 7 dials to control 7 different shots, multiple directions. The other thing this can do, we've got a simple remote switch, on and off, which is right here. And we have random shot selections and random direction settings. So we can turn random off and it will go strictly on what's set up on the machine, or we can totally go to a random setting and it'll jump around different shot setups and different directions. So here's a simple pattern with the direction set on 2, 5, which would be this corner and then the other corner, and shot setup for shot number 1 with sort of low on height, pretty high on speed, high on top spin with a 3 for delay. We get, Nate's going to demonstrate 4 balls. We get a nice drive, top spin ball, headed from one corner to the other, making the player hit forehands and backhands alternating. Okay, this time a little more complicated. Shot sequence of the first programmed ball, another ball is the first programmed ball, and the third ball is a different ball setup. Shot setup number 2, which is a little bit higher ball, lower on speed, lower on spin, actually backspin, and the delay is minimal. And for direction we're going to go a 2, a 5, and then the third ball is a short ball in the vicinity of where the 3 is on the court. Okay, here we go, Nate. Ready? Forehand, should get a backhand. And then we're going to get the short ball. It's a different programmed ball, which is the slickest thing about this machine. There we go. Okay, we're going to run through one last sequence here. We've added a 4th shot, which is shot setup number 3, which is this ball, shot setup, a 3rd type of ball. Notice the height, a little higher than what ball shot setup 2 was. The speed's a little faster, so we're going to elevate the ball up with a little speed and a little height. It's going to be a lob. It's got a slight backspin to it, and the delay is minimal again. So we're going forehand, backhand, middle of the court, 3-3 to finish. All right, Nate's going to demonstrate again. Forehand, and a backhand, and a short ball. And should finish with the overhead. There's the lob. All right. To reserve the ball machine, simply go to your court sheet. We'll choose court 3 in the big dome at 10 a.m. and we're looking at the court sheet for Thursday, April 6th. And we click that court at 10 and we'll choose 60 minutes. We're gonna pick practice session and we'll put our name in. I'll just put myself for now. And then down at the bottom in the comments, simply type ball machine and click make reservation. And that way, when we look at your reservation, it pops up on our court sheet. We see Spencer Eells has the ball machine reserved, and we'll try our hardest, assuming the court was open before you, to have the ball machine set up and ready for you when you arrive.